The Elf Prep Rally puzzle event is now live on Rollercoin, and we've also got a race tournament going on. Let's check them all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so the Elf Prep Rally is one of those events where you will find one of those miners that you need for the Frostival event to be able to get that massive miner. So on my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin. First and foremost, you can see that there is a race tournament going on. At the time of recording this video, there are still 6 hours and 37 minutes remaining for the race tournament. If we go to the race tournament quickly, we can see that to get points in this race tournament, you need to open lucky loot boxes. I'm already in the running at the 48th position. Obviously, you will get a pop-up when you're not in the running yet in the race tournament, where it will give you the details of how many points you need to actually get in the tournament. Normally it's something like 3,000 points, so you probably need to open like 3 lucky loot boxes or something like that. I think I opened in order to be able to get into the race tournament. My advice for this race tournament and the ones that have open lucky loot boxes is to open the lucky loot boxes which cost the least, because you'll be able to open more for spending less of your RLT, and you'll still get the 1,000 points each and every time. Okay, so that is a piece of advice there for you. In first place, we can see at the moment there is Demdem85. Demdem85 will receive the Shamaniac miner, which can't be sold. This is the rare edition of the Shamaniac miner at 5.6 petahash, together with 10 petahash in temporary bonus power and 1000 RST. 330,000 points at the moment for Demdem85. So you will need to open 330 loot boxes in order for you to be able to get that amount of points. Joiner Padilla in second position. Again, Shamaniac with the uncommon version this time, 2.1 petahash per second. 900 RST with 5 petahash per second in temporary bonus power. Quite a close race there between the second and first place. Okay, not much off, so there are still 6 hours remaining, so quite potentially things will change here. Kuizu, third place. Again, the Shamaniac miner here. Can't be sold, 2.1, and this is also the uncommon version. So we've got 2 uncommon versions for the third and even for the second place miners. So not any difference between the miners there. The difference is between the RST, and then going down the list, you will see the other rewards and prizes, and you do need to at least be in position 75 to at least get some form of prize in this race tournament. Moving on to the puzzle event. Now, the Elf Prep Rally puzzle event does have another 2 days, 6 hours and 33 minutes remaining. This actually started yesterday together with the race tournament, but race tournaments normally only last 1 day. Okay, in this progression event, you can see that here, when you do get 9 of those snowflakes, when you complete 9 tasks from the list, you will be getting the Evergreen Gift. The Evergreen Gift can be sold, so if you don't manage to complete this event, then you will be able to purchase it on the marketplace. But do try and get it through the event, because it will cost you less and you'll be getting more rewards anyway, because you will also be getting double rewards at level 3, level 6 and level 9. Okay, double rewards, even level 12 and level 16 if you manage to get that far. Now, the Evergreen Gift is one of those miners that you need from 6 unique miners to collect in order to be able to complete the Frostival massive event and get the Radiant Core miner at 60 petahash with 8% bonus power. Okay, so this is one of those miners that you will need. At random, you will be opening a piece each and every time you complete a task, and for every 3 tasks that you complete up to level 12, you'll be getting double the rewards. So a random piece from here and a prize from the top here in the progression bar. Okay, from level 12 to level 16, there are 4 tasks that you'd need to complete, and you'll be able to get the most powerful miner in this puzzle event called Crypto Claws, which is the uncommon version. This cannot be sold, and it will give you 9.19 petahash per second, which is quite a substantial amount of power. If you manage to make it to level 12, you'll get the common version of the crypto clause, and that will give you 3.5 petahash in power. Again, crypto clause cannot be sold. You can also see here that you can get the crypto clause, which also has a 2% bonus attached to it, the common version. You can get that as a random piece from the puzzle. So if you manage to get that random piece and you get the one at level 12 here after completing 12 tasks, then you'll be able to merge those into an uncommon. If you manage to get all the rewards and do all of the tasks, you'll be able to get the one at level 16, which is the uncommon version. You'll have two uncommon versions and can potentially merge those crypto clauses into a rare miner, which will be very powerful as well. Okay, there's Polar Pendulum here as well with 318 terahash per second, no bonuses there. Couple of Queen and Spin there, 862 terahash, no bonuses attached to those. 80 RST, 40 RST, 400 RST. I believe there was another RST here, which I have already revealed as well. There were a couple of 200 terahash for 7 days temporary bonus power. I believe I've received 2 of those already. We've got Jelly Bones as well, 2 of those. You can potentially merge them as well. Queen of Spin, like I've mentioned, with the crypto clause, you can also merge those 2. Here at level 6, you'll be getting the common version as well, so you can potentially keep a common version and merge the other 2 to get an uncommon version of the Queen and Spin, which will give you a bit of a bonus there as well. There is also MAM-ETH, which will give you 1.3 petahash in minus power if you don't already have the miner, and 2% bonus power, which is quite a significant amount if you place the miner on your rack and if you don't already have the same version of the miner, which is the common version. Okay, if you've got the uncommon and you don't have the common, then this will give you an extra 2% in bonus power if you place that miner on your rack. Okay, so going through the tasks quickly: win 50 games, merge 180 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 100 games, merge 380 parts, exchange 34 RLT, win 150 games, open 34 lucky cases. Now remember, when you're opening those lucky cases, at the time of recording this video, there is that race tournament going on, so you will be actually contributing to the race tournament and you'll be going up the leaderboard for that as well. Exchange 64 RLT, win 120 games, open 64 lucky cases, exchange 98 RLT, open 98 RLT cases, and the ones I've already completed are exchange 3 RLT, open 3 lucky cases, open 12 lucky cases. Okay, so I'll be opening some more lucky cases as well. So that is pretty much the Elf Prep Rally event, which is a puzzle event. I wish you the very best of luck. At least do your best to get this evergreen gift miner so that you will be able to take part and get that Radiant Core massive miner with 60 petahash per second towards the start of the year, so you can start the year with a lot of power. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.